I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
Hi Bookies, I'm back with another wash day, and today we have some new product. I'm sorry for how I look because I feel like I look so crazy right now. It's because I literally just woke up and I was like, okay, it's time to wash my hair because I put on my powder mask last night, and oh child, I was supposed to rinse it after 2 hours. It's the next day. Okay, I was so tired. I feel like I haven't done a wash day in maybe like 4 months. Like, that's kind of crazy. But yeah, I'm back with another wash day, and as you guys can see, I'm talking to you guys directly because we have some new product. The rest of this video is going to be a voiceover because obviously I'm going to be in the shower, but we have some new product that I'm very excited about, so I just wanted to show you guys. What are we starting off with? Okay, first of all, we're starting off with the Olaplex No.3, which is one of the new products that I'm going to try today. It's supposed to be like a pre-shampoo treatment because it's supposed to be like a bonding treatment before you start your wash day. Then I have the Olaplex No.4 and No.5. The No.4 is the shampoo. Can you guys even see with this red eye slide? Girl, I don't know, okay? So we have the Olaplex. They pretty much do the same thing as the bonding. Obviously, this is a shampoo. This is supposed to repair and nourish your hair, but I'm also going to use another shampoo. I'm going to show it to you guys because I forgot to bring it. But then for conditioner, we're going to use the Olaplex No.5. I'm very excited about this because I want you guys to see the size of this. These are so small for the price. I was like, child. Then I also got a new Amika mask. This is the orange one. This is the nourishing mask. As you guys can see, we are very much in the repair and nourish vibe. This cold is really beating my ass, you guys, and it's beating my hair, so I definitely need to make my hair stronger during winter. So I got the Amika mask. This is not a new product. I've actually been using this and I really liked it, so I got a new bottle, but we're not gonna open this bottle yet because I still have some left in my previous bottle, you guys, so you guys don't think I'm spamming you. But we are going to finish this one before I open the other one. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit goes a long way with this, so you don't need a lot. Also, when I'm washing my hair, I apply all my products on soaking wet hair. Okay, so let's start this wash day. I'm starting off with rinsing out this powder mask. Like I said at the beginning, I actually let this mask sit overnight, which was not the blend. Ideally, 30 minutes is more than enough. That's usually the maximum time recommended for most masks anyway. The key thing is do not let this dry on your hair. Once it dries, it becomes a nightmare to remove. I'm talking about extra detangling, extra shedding, extra stress, and we don't need that. But honestly, I fell asleep. It is what it is. My hair survived. We good. I've been using this mask for years though. If you go back and watch my older wash days, you will see I almost always start with it. It's kind of my reset step. It helps strengthen my hair, especially when I've been manipulating it a lot or just wearing a lot of protective styles. You guys know I love a good wig. And honestly, if you've never tried a powder mask before, take this as your sign to try one. Okay, so this was actually my first time ever trying Olaplex No.3 in this clip. And just to be transparent, this video was filmed about 2 or 3 months ago, so I've had time to really test it since. The Olaplex No.3 is basically a bond builder. It's not a conditioning. It works on repairing broken bonds in your hair from things like heat, color, tension, all of that. So you're supposed to apply it on damp hair before shampooing and let it sit in. Now, I do not use the whole Olaplex line every week. I have a low porosity hair, and anything too strengthening can actually make my hair feel dry and stiff if I overdo it. So for my hair type, this is more of a once a month situation. This is like a reset when my hair feels weak or overly manipulated. But if you have high porosity hair, you can definitely use this more often. What I will say though, it definitely makes my hair feel stronger over time. You just have to balance it with moisture after. Plot twist, I didn't do that in this video and I regretted it. But anyway, if you're a low porosity like me, don't treat this like a weekly thing, okay? You will regret it. Because used correctly, chief kiss, amazing. Overuse it, your hair will humble you so fast.
10 minutes later.
Okay, so I'm rinsing out the Olaplex No.3, and to go with my favorite detox shampoo,
the Ouai Detox Shampoo. Listen, when I tell you I love this shampoo, I mean it. This is one of those products that actually does what it says it do. It gives you that deep, clarifying scalp reset type of clean without making your hair feel stripped as long as you use it correctly. This is technically a detox slash clarifying shampoo, so it meant to remove buildup, oils, heavy butters, gel, dry shampoo, all of that. If you're someone who use a lot of styling product or you use oils on your scalp, this is amazing for that once a week reset. What I personally like to do is pair it with a hydrating shampoo right after. So I will go first with the Ouai to really cleanse my scalp and remove buildup, and then I will follow up with something more moisturizing like the Fenty shampoo, so my skin don't feel overly clarified. Because here's the things, detox shampoos are powerful. They open up the cuticles, they remove everything, and if you stop there without adding moisture back in, especially if you have a low porosity hair like me, your hair can start feeling dry over time. Now, by itself, this shampoo is elite. My scalp feels clean, my hair feels light, there's volume at the roots. It's just that fresh wash feeling, and a clean scalp is more important for growth. If your scalp is clogged with buildup, your hair will not thrive. Period. Or at least it won't thrive the way that it's supposed to. But this is where balance matters. You don't have to stack too many strengthening or clarifying products back to back. I learned that the hard way, because when you start combining bond builders with strong cleanser too frequently, yes, your hair will feel squeaky clean, but a week later, dry, brittle, mad at you. So now I treat this shampoo like a proper detox step and not overuse it. And honestly, if you're someone who struggles with buildup or your style don't last long because your roots get oily fast, this might change your life. Just remember to cleanse, then hydrate. Always restore the balance. Okay, now this is the Olaplex No.4, and I'm not even going to lie, it does exactly what it says it does. The shampoo cleans like cleanse. Your hair feels fresh, your scalp feels purified, okay? And it still has that bond building technology in it. So on its own, solid product, no complaints. But here's where I made my mistake, okay? Pairing this with the Ouai Detox Shampoo and the same wash day was aggressive, because technically they both deeply cleanse the hair. The Ouai Detox already removed buildup and clarified my scalp, so the Olaplex No.4 also gives you a very thorough, is that the word thorough? Anyway, cleanse. So stacking them back to back, my hair was squeaky. And listen, squeaky isn't always a good thing, okay? Yes, my hair felt insanely clean that day, but about a week later, it felt noticeably drier than usual, especially with low porosity hair like mine. Too much cleaning without enough moisture, the balance doesn't exist anymore, So now I treat the Olaplex shampoo differently. If I'm using this, I skip the detox shampoo that day, or I will use it on a separate wash day entirely. Individually, great shampoos. Together, too much power in one routine. Okay, now this right here, this is the Amika Soulfood Mask. And I have to be honest, when I first tried this, I was not impressed. The first time I used it, I was like, okay, so that's it. I didn't hate it, but I didn't understand the hype. It just felt like a regular mask to me. But over time, this has become one of those products I cannot be without. I think the reason is because it's not one of those super heavy, greasy masks. It's moisturizing, but in a balanced way. It gives a little bit of sleep, not too much. It's still a mask. It softens my hair, but it takes time. It won't do all of that in the first, use.
One eternity later.
And it brings elasticity back, especially after I've done something intense like bond buildings and detox and shampoos. I use this when my hair needs moisture without being weighted down. It leaves my hair soft and shiny without that cold feeling. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Olaplex No.5 conditioner. And I'm going to be honest, this one left me a little uneasy. I was gonna say the first time I used it, but it's still leaving me a little uneasy 3 months later. First of all, if you're used to conditioners that feel super creamy, super slippery, almost like they melt into your hair, This is not that. It doesn't foam up. It doesn't give that instant tingling that some of my other faves do. And that threw me off. That it really did. Because I'm someone who judges a conditioner by the slip. If I can't run my finger through my hair easily, I start questioning everything. But what I notice is that this feels more like a treatment focused conditioner. It also feels like a lightweight mask than a traditional conditioner. It adds to that strengthening, nourishing vibes that the whole Olaplex line has. My hair felt reinforced, but not necessarily soft in that silky way right away. That line is more bun building than moisturizing. So if your hair is already leaning towards dry, or you just clarified a lot like I did, you might not get that juicy, hydrating feeling from this alone. For me, the lack of slips means I wouldn't rely on this as my only detangling conditioner. I'm either pairing it with something more moisturizing or use it on a wash day where I'm not stacking so many strengthening products. Did it make my hair feel stronger? Yes. Did it give me that soft, buttery glide? No. So again, it's about knowing what your hair needs in that moment. Okay. So this is where I went with my regular moisture step, but if I'm being honest, I still kind of kept everything on the protein side, and this is something I've learned over time. I only do protein or heavy strengthening treatments about once a month. My hair does not like too much of that. The only things I use consistently every wash day is the Amika mask because it gives me, but looking back at this wash day, between the Olaplex treatment, the detox shampoo, and everything being very bun building focused, I probably should have followed with a very moisturizing leave-in and a heavier cream for like the hydrating style, because that was a lot of strength in one routine. And don't get me wrong, my hair felt strong, it felt reinforced, but you can absolutely overdo strengthening, especially if you have low porosity hair. Too much protein and your hair starts feeling stiff instead of soft. So if you're recreating this routine, just be mindful of balance. If you're doing detox and bone building, make sure that you do a deep conditioner after something very moisturizing, and because your hair needs both. But overall, this was definitively a strengthening focused wash day, and now you know exactly what to not do and what to do. Anyway, that's it for this wash day. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah!